So this is a fun project going on here. This is an inline 671, getting ready to go for a rebuild. I just picked up a new crank for it because this crank is severely damaged. This dropped a, they're all pretty nasty, but it dropped a valve on it. And then we're also doing a rebuild on this one. Just getting ready to start tearing it down. That's for a left-hand rotation engine. So we've got this one to rebuild, that one to rebuild, and that one was a good running bus motor. It's not actually on that cradle, it's just resting on it. And I think we're going to go through and get that one ready to go as a swing-in engine also. All kinds of parts. Here's that dropped valve that messed up that one. And then this is a cracked head that came off the other one. And that blower needs new seals. A plethora of parts. Trying to get things organized and cleaned up around here. Since we're going to have more than one engine a part at a time, it's going to get a little confusing. If you've never seen the crank out before. And then I got over here in my bus. I made a trip to the machine shop. Crank, and I took a head in and had it resurfaced, and they ground the valves on it, Magnaflux it, put new injector tubes in it, so it should be all ready to go. Oh, that was not good. That'll be fun to pick up. Shit. That's about 50 tools on the floor.